Hi guys, this is LovelyAma. Welcome back to my channel. And last week I didn't do a video because I was not feeling well. That's the reason why. And again, welcome back. Happy New March. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends. And I wanted to say that a friend of mine and also a subscriber told me that her hair is hard, and so she would like me to help her. Yeah, so in this video I'm going to give 3 tips or 4, even 2, about how to make your hard hair soften. Even though I've done a video on how to make your hair soften, maybe she hasn't tried these things, so I'm going to, let's say, redo this video, and I'll put some of the videos that I've done and that will make your hair soften up there or up here, so that you click on it and watch them. So the first tip I'm going to give is to do protein treatment. It can make your hair soften even if it is hard. First, before you start, you have to spray your hair with warm water or cold water, then apply protein treatment. It's like egg, then mix in honey if you want, and some oils with it, olive oil, avocado oil if you have it, and coconut oil. You mix it together, then you apply it on your hair, you cover it, you let it sit on your hair for 30 minutes to 1 hour, and then you wash it. So then you can do avocado. So when I remove my braids or even my waves, I usually do avocado conditioner, and it's very good for natural hair. It brings out the curls, and it brings out shiners, and it makes your hair look very healthy because it really gives life to your hair. So you can do avocado conditioner. You just have to blend avocado, or you can use even fork. If the avocado is very soft, you can use fork to mash it. Then if you want to add egg to it, or you don't add egg to it but you add some oils to it, like grapeseed oil, castor oil, coconut oil, you mix them together and you apply it to your hair. Then you let it sit for that 1 hour or maybe 30 minutes. You have to really steam your hair. You have to let heat. You have to feel the heat on your hair. Yeah. So you can do banana conditioner. Use banana, mix it with honey, then the same thing, oil with it. You blend it or you mashed it in a bowl with a fork, then you apply it to your hair, cover it. And guys, after you've washed your hair with this conditioner, guys, don't leave your hair like that. You have to apply a leave-in conditioner, then apply oil to your hair. Then if you want, you can twist it or you can braid it, so that later on you take this braid out. So when you're done doing this conditioner, don't leave your hair just like that. You have to apply oil to your hair. You have to apply if you feel your hair is dry, you have to apply water to it. Then apply water-based leave-in conditioning, and apply oil to it and twist it, or do whatever style you want to do with it. So you can even do vinegar conditioner. That one too. You can apply vinegar to your hair. You cover it, you let it steam for a while before you rinse it out, like it's vinegar rinse here. So guys, this is a very short video because I wanted to give only these 2-3 tips, and try these things. It will help you very much. And you can try the lock method or the LCO method, liquid cream oil method. Maybe I'll talk about that one too in a video. Try these two and know what help your hair. So thanks so much. See you in my next video. Have a blessed day, evening, or afternoon, and as always, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends. Bye. Love you all. Bye.